Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Kindly stick with me to the end of this video if you want to know the mistakes I made, why I couldn't make enough money as a graphic designer, and also how you can avoid these mistakes, especially if you are a beginner. Alright, so welcome back. The first mistake I made is being unable to develop a business and marketing skill. Now, what is a marketing skill? A marketing skill is a knowledge or a trick on how to market what you are into. When you don't have an effective means of promoting your designs or showing people what you are into, then it's likely you won't be able to make enough money. So this means that you have to network and connect with people very, very well. Now, another one is having a poor pricing strategy. In other way, you can say not fixing a particular price for your services. And even if you do, it will be too high or too low, which is not supposed to be. Just make sure the pricing is moderate, because if it's too low, what may come to your client's mind is that you may not be a professional in your field, or that your services may not satisfy him or her. Then if it's too high, it means your services is not affordable and can make you lose that client. So too much of everything is very, very bad. Now, the second reason is not having a strong online presence. Many of us can relate that the percentage of people active online are more than the percentage of people offline, because you can connect with millions of people online. Take, for example, the number of people you see on Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media you make use of. You can also take advantage of that, all right, to post and show people what you offer. And once you do that consistently, you will see someone that will definitely patronize you and probably connect you to his or her friends, or maybe a relative that will need your services too. Now, the third reason is not improving in your design skill. This reason is very, very, very important, because this is where most of us fall in. You see, you can, in other way, you can say not staying up to date with trends and latest design ideas. I believe we all know that things are changing and upgrading on a daily basis, and if you don't upgrade with it too, your designs will become old-fashioned, even when they may look nice and amazing. But because they are faded or they are already outdated, they are out of the industry already, it may not impress anyone again, and it may not sell at that moment. So it's very good and advisable to know your industry and what works best for it. All right, good. The fourth thing here is ineffective client and project management. Sometimes a client will present a design job to you, and you, as a graphic designer, will give he or she a deadline of completion, maybe probably in 2 days' time or thereabouts, and of which you may not able to meet up with the deadline. And at the end of the day, you might start giving excuses or trying to escape. That's not the best way to deal with such a thing. It's always good to be sincere and straightforward with your clients. If you will not be able to meet up with the target, it's better to inform the clients in time with your own tangible reason, rather than just beating around the bush and giving excuses. It doesn't only build your integrity, it also builds trust and connection between you and the client. Now, the last but not the least, which is the fifth one, is continuously learning. You see, completing a design course or a graphic design course is not a guarantee you've known all. You need to learn from top creators, you need to master new ideas, you need to learn more inspirations and methods of creating them. You need to make research and work on yourself. In that way, you can provide an effective service when one is given to you. All right, so I hope this video goes a long way in your graphic design field, and I hope you learned a very fresh and new knowledge from this video. I would like to know your experiences and what you think in the comment section below, whether you face one or two things on the track or thereabouts. I'd like to know about it in the comment section. So share this video if it's useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video also. I'll be expecting you in my next video.